How to ignore someone's messages on Facebook Messenger app. If you want to ignore someone's messages but not completely block them off, follow these simple steps. First, open up your Messenger app and you just have to make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged into your account, you just have to tap on the person that you want to ignore messages from. And from here, you can just go ahead and tap on their profile name. After this, you just have to simply tap on the three lines at the top right. And as you can see, you only have an option to block from here. But what you instead can do is scroll down a bit until you find privacy and support. And here is an option to restrict. So what happens is if you tap on restrict, the account will be restricted and they will not be notified that you've restricted them, but you will be able to see less messages from them and contact them less. So this is the best option to ignore someone's messages on Facebook Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.